Good morning, everyone. Back again with another cup of coffee and something exciting to unbox with you guys. Okay, coffee first, and then I'm going to tell you a little story. Okay, so this box I have been holding off opening because I wanted to share it with you guys here on YouTube. I reached out to a company called The Witch's Box, and they have, I believe they have different subscriptions that you can do. They have the Witch's Box, which is it's a book box, and then they also have other boxes. But I messaged them specifically about the book box because, I mean, hello, I'm a bookie person, and Erica was so sweet. She checked out my YouTube channel, and I shared a little bit about being a witchy mystic and my journey being a newbie with some of these magical things. And she was so sweet and decided that she would love to send me an example. So she sent me one of their book boxes. Now, I don't know if this is a current one. It actually says February on it. So I don't know if this is the February Witches box, but I'm just so grateful that she would send something for me to share with you guys. She also encouraged me to sign up to be an affiliate. So I will have an affiliate link for you guys if you're interested in checking the Witch's Box out. And I'll put that down below. So let's dive into this though, because I have waited long enough. I'm so excited to see what she has in here. So I'm just gonna try not to cut myself. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Eek. All right, this is what it looks like upon first opening. Oh, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, yes, the Witch's Book is what this says. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out and show you. The Witch's Book. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Okay, there's a bookmark. The Witch's Book. And you can check her at thewitchesbox.com or The Witch's Box on Instagram at The Witch's Box. That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Okay. I'm like shaking. I'm so excited. All right. And then let's pull out these. What are these? What are these? Oh, they're little book stickers. The Witch's Book belongs to, how cute. How cute. Okay, we're gonna pull out the little letter here. Dearest witches, welcome to February. So this is the February box, where we have 2 new books newly launched into the world. And the thrilling part of this, aside from the fact that 2 new books have launched into the world, that we've read multiple books from these 2 authors in the past. Picking these 2 books was really out of anticipation for what they were launching. I've been waiting for both books since we all learned as a group that they were coming out. The themes go well together, though they are different in their approach, and it continues to move us further along in our learning journey. I don't have a suggestion for the order to read these books in. Read them in the order you are called, and we'll chat about them in the forum. Witches, Heretics, and Warrior Women by Phoenix LaFaye and Warrior Magic by Thomas Prower. Make sure to look in the forum for the link to the live gathering at the end of the month. If you're buying this as a single box, the link for the invite or the replay will be included in the email you get after you make your purchase. Blessings, Elena. I love it. Okay, so even though I already shared a little bit about the titles, let's dive into them. So I'm gonna pull this off. Witches, Heretics, and Warrior Women. Okay, someone who loves Women Who Run with the Wolves, I have a feeling this is going to be amazing. This is by Phoenix LaFaye. Gorgeous cover. Look at that cover. So gorgeous. Body, mind, and spirit, inspiration, and personal growth is the genre. And it says, take back your power and unleash it on the world. Filled with transformative stories of powerful women from legend and history. This book explores themes that witches, heretics, and warriors confront in a patriarchal world. Join the fight against the status quo by learning how to invoke your own defiant female ancestors and the lessons they represent. Each chapter examines a topic like standing tall in your beliefs, finding your voice, embracing your sexuality, and loving your body. Oh my gosh, okay, this is gonna be a favorite. Okay, I'm gonna have to add this to my May reading list. Oh, I'm so excited, so excited. Okay, so this is one, I'll probably start with that because I already get the goosebumps. And then we have Justice, Spirituality, and Culture from Around the World, Warrior Magic by Thomas Prower. Fight for a better world with inspiration from the past and present. Written with a mix of reverence and passion, Warrior Magic is the first multicultural journey into understanding the role of magic in resistance and warfare around the world. Thomas Prower invites you to journey throughout history and see how people have allied with spirits and the divine to defy their oppressors. This book also features empowering anecdotes and hands-on activities shared by contributors from spiritual traditions and cultures across the globe. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this one too. Because I have a very like mutt-like spirituality, and yay. Okay, so check them out. Check out the Witches book subscription. I will put all the links below and an affiliate link for you guys. So just FYI, if you're interested in actually purchasing something, yay. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this little share. It was a little different than my normal stuff, but I'm very excited. I'm very excited. And they were so sweet to work with. So I always love sharing little indie companies and companies that I feel like I can back because they're just so sweet and awesome to work with. Okay, all right, until next time, enjoy your wild, sexy lives.